Hey everyone, welcome back to Drew Drives. Today, let's go for a drive in this 2024 Infiniti Q50 Sensory. This is the next expensive trim of the Q50 other than the Red Sport. This has 300 horsepower while the Red Sport has 400 horsepower. Same interior as it's been for many years. You got the 2-screen setup still, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bose Performance Series sound system. Let's put it in sport mode. The Red Sport is Sport Plus. There's a Red Sport right there. .360 camera with a super loud sensor beeping. Over there. All right. It's a nice driving sedan for sure. It's got plenty of pickup. As I've reiterated in a bunch of my videos, and as everyone always comments about it, it's just super outdated for a 2024 model. We're all waiting for Infiniti to release the new Q50. If it's anything like the new QX80 interior, the 2025, it's going to be great. Because right now it feels like I'm in a 2014 vehicle. I mean, it's just the truth, you know? Yeah, I mean, this is, even though this has 100 less horsepower than the Red Sport, it's quick. 300 horsepower is not bad at all. It's also got the 3-liter V6. You still have that little screen in between the gauges where you can see your tire pressures and directions, things like that. And in the sensor you have wood trim, as you can see. I wish it came with shift paddles too. You can only get shift paddles in the Red Sport, which is a disappointment. Let's take a quick look at it. Black Obsidian, black grille. These are the wheels on the Sensory. $49,000 MSRP on this car. But anyways, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, please consider subscribing, and I'll catch you on the next one. I'm out.